if I want to change the JSON element or a piece of information in my code, it's really just as easy as it was to display it. So let's take a look at that in code really quick. So here we are again with our JSON phone book, and we got first name, last name, phone, pets, and is married. So let's say I wanted to change Joe's marital status. Maybe something happened and we need to update his record so that it reflects the fact that he is no longer married. So how do we do that? We're just going to use that same dot notation and that same way of accessing it. So right now you can see it's reflecting that it's true. It's true here. Let's change it to false. So we're going to say jsphone dot is married, and we're going to say equals false. Just a new assignment operator using that dot notation to identify the container. As soon as we save that, you can see it updates to false. And I can get all the way down into that phone number if I want to, that nested object. So if I say jsphone.phone.office, and let's say his office number changed, so we've got 222, 222, 222, 3, a brand new phone number, and we save that, and you can see it's updated right there. So that's how easy it is to update something in a JSON object.